My name is Alex and I'm out here with Doggo RT Tramp. These are our dog ramps and our dog stairs. They attach to your rooftop tent's telescoping ladder. So whether you got a 7 or 8 foot, or even need a custom size, we make those. They're made in the USA, in-house. We sew everything by hand, use nothing but high quality materials. They got PVC grips on here to help your dog with traction. And then when not in use, the dog ramp, it rolls up like this and it stores on the top of your ladder. So you can keep it on your ladder. You don't even have to remove it. Really easy to roll up and down. Takes probably 30 seconds at most. And then these are our Doggo Stairs. Similar idea. This is more of just a stair version. These are great dogs. Even humans, you can use them when it gets dark. Your feet aren't going to go through the ladder like that. A little more of an angle for dogs. So these are we suggest these for a little more like dogs that are a little more nimble and athletic. The other ramp gives you a better angle. If you have a higher truck, it's a lot less of an angle for you to go up, but depending on your dog, both work great. What's nice about these two, these just pop forward like this, and then you can pull it up the ladder and you don't have to take them on or off. They can just store right on the ladder and makes the setup pretty streamlined. If you'd like to find more information, you can find us at doggorttramp.com.